At Village Chevrolet, it is our goal to provide you with an excellent purchase and ownership experience.
Let Village Chevrolet make your dreams a reality. You're looking for speed, beauty, a car that's more than just a car, it's the ultimate driving machine. Check out this wicked '09 Pontiac Solstice GXP, equipped with a 4-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Enjoy an impressive 27 miles to the gallon on this sports car with features like satellite radio, alloy wheels, driver's side airbag, passenger's front airbag, leather upholstery, steering wheel radio controls, steering wheel phone control, performance traction control, anti-lock braking system, OnStar system, fog lights, and much more. Feel the wind in your hair, enjoy the drive, and look great in this '09 Pontiac Solstice. See us at Village Chevrolet today.
Come see us at 16200 Wayzata Boulevard. Check us out at villagechev.com.